This is Spinal Tap, the movie puzzle. Our puzzle is this: 52, 77, 45, 91, 88, 83, 39 blank, 34. The clue is this is Spinal Tap, the movie. If you can figure that out and see the reference, let me know in the comment section below. All right, let's go solve this puzzle here. 52, 77, 45. 52 minus a 45 equals a 7. 91, 88, 83. 91 minus 83 equals an 8. Let's see if there's a pattern here. 7 times this one goes to 11 is a 77. We got our middle number. 8 times, again, this one goes to 11, 88, middle number. See, the same thing holds true here, or it's going to, because that seems to be our pattern. 39 minus a 34 equals a 5 times this one goes to 11, which is a 55. And so 55 here is a solution to the Spinal Tap puzzle. Did you get that answer? If you did, way to go. If you didn't, but you learned something here and still don't know what the reference is, check the comment section below. I'm sure someone has it. As always, thanks for watching.